everybody, Internet Team here at Germain Honda. Today we have a walk around of a new Passport Trailsport.
Alright, so I wanted to show you some key features in the Passport Trailsport that you get over the EXL. One of the first items up front are these LED fog lights. Those are not on the EXL, and that is on the Trailsport. This is unique to the Trailsport, that you get 18-inch wheels. That is smaller than the EXL in the Touring, but it allows for a more aggressive off-road tire, which gives you more off-road capabilities and a smoother ride. Upgrading from the EXL, you also get roof rails up here. Honda offers a ton of great accessories to carry whatever you may need. Coming around to the back, you do also have some off-road styling cues. You have this kind of skid plate looking rear bumper, and then you also have different taillights than you get on the EXL and Touring. Going on the inside of the Trailsport, you do also get this really nice leather seat with this orange contrast stitching. You have the Trailsport logo stitched into the headrest, and you also have it stamped in these really nice rubber floor mats. So if you're out hitting the trails, you don't have to worry about getting your carpet muddy when you get back in. Now, another thing that you do get on the Trailsport is you get different drive modes. Now, this does have intelligent traction management, and it has 3 more drive modes in the EXL with your snow, mud, and sand mode.
That's a quick walk around of a Trailsport Passport. We have a few here at Germain Honda Beavercreek. Come check us out.